beginning to fall. And it's knocked off the cap. See, that's the only thing, guys, is that sometimes these picture spots are in a ditch. So now that's not helping you. Let's see if we can put for a second, please. Hold it there. Hold it there. Hold it there. Okay, well done. Okay. Hey guys, so it's 48 degrees. It is 1:52. So we are gonna have a bit of time here. Yeah, maybe it was a combination of something yesterday due to the cold, or maybe the bumpiness of the gravel road or something. I didn't want to charge my phone, but we'll see. Pontiac Fire Department. I'm pulling out old slow. Okay. All right, Mickey D's Subway, here we come. Oh, there's a Walgreens there. Kind of a cafe on the corner. Oh, guys. There's a whole... Oh, there's a... Part for these lovely pebbles here. How you doing, Phil?
Fine. How are you?
Good. All right, guys and gals. Let's see what our battery can do for us here, and whether they even have chargers. Because I went into the city, remember guys, in Jefferson Park, I went into the McDonald's in Louisiana Chicken there, or KFC or something, and they had all their plug-in things. Yeah, I see plug-in things, so we're good.
Oh, I'm sure. Yeah, so I got a chair, so.
Well, that's what
Let's have a seat. All right. Good bit of news. We do have a plug right here. So I'm gonna just sit down, have a hot cocoa, but first, let's plug in there. Find the other cable. That was giving us a little bit of
It's one of the 7. I know, we did, that's what we were trying to do.
okay, we're making really good time, guys. Okay, so well, that's charging. Let me go order, and then we'll figure out the battery situation with the plug-in.